Hello, my dear student. I am GT Sir, subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to solve exercise of the chapter 1 and chapter name is Dear Mrs. Naidu. Okay, chapter name is Dear Mrs. Naidu. Clear? I hope you all understand the chapter that I will explain in previous video. So let's solve the exercise of this chapter. And exercise number A, read as directed and tick the correct option. Okay, so you can see here is the given a statement and also give 4 option of the statement. So select the correct option and tick it in a proper way. Clear? So first option is Sarojini is writing a letter to Mrs. Naidu because. So you can tick the option number B. Her teacher had given her an assignment. Okay, an assignment. It is the correct option of this statement. Second is why does Sarojini cross out the words dead, deceased, passed on? So you will tick the option number B. She felt telling someone that they are dead was rude. Clear? And now next is tick the correct word. You can see here is the use oblique and given two words. One is the past and second is negative. So you will select which word is a correct word and tick that word to add and make a sentence. So let's start the next exercise. Enemies was like or not like. Okay, so you will tick not like any teacher Sarojini had known before. It means the any also meet many of the teachers, but any miss is different from others. Okay, so it is the correct option will be not like. Second is any miss told them learning by heart without understanding was useful of no useful. So you will cross the useful and tick the of no useful. Okay, if you are not learning without heart, then it is not useful for you or anyone else. Okay, third is Sarojini did or did not quite agree with enemies. So it will be did not quite agree with enemies. Clear? Next is fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. So read the statement and use the correct word in the blanks. Sarojini was a book about Sarojini Naidu. So you will write down here reading. Okay, Sarojini was reading a book about Sarojini Naidu. Next is gave her the book. So who gave her the books? Then you will write down Vimla Madam. Okay, Vimla Madam gave her the book. Next is Sarojini liked the book so much that she decided to write to Mrs. Naidu. So you will write down write to Mrs. Naidu. It is the option that you will fill it in a blanks. Next is exercise number C. Work in pair. Discuss the differences between Sarojini and Mrs. Naidu. Then complete the table. You can see here is the make two tables. First, in the first pictures you can see here Sarojini, and in the second picture of Sarojini Naidu. Okay, so you will tell about the different of both person. So first we talking about the Sarojini, a little girl. Sarojini is a school girl, but Mrs. Naidu was a freedom fighter of India and a poet. Okay, Now we talk about the Sarojini, a little girl. Sarojini is alive, but Mrs. Naidu, Mrs. Naidu is dead. Sarojini, Sarojini has no brother and sister. Sarojini has no brother and sister, but Sarojini Naidu has many brother and sisters. Clear? And next option, Sarojini's house has one room. Sarojini house has one room, but Mrs. Naidu house had many rooms. Clear? So you will fill these blanks with use the proper sentence and write down about both person. Next is read the lines in italic and answer the question. So you will leave here. I will send its note for you. Now come on, exercise number F. Tick the sentences and cross out the incomplete ones. Rewrite the sentence with the correct punctuation. So you can see here is the Sarojini wrote a letter. Sarojini wrote a letter. It is the sentence, okay? And Sarojini later a wrote, it is not a sentence. So you will rewrite the sentence in a blanks, okay? In the first option, Sarojini wrote a letter, you will write down the sentence. S will be capital in the beginning of the Sarojini and keep the full stop in the end of the sentence. It means after the letter you will keep full stop. And Sarojini later a wrote, it is not sentence here, so you will cross here, okay? Sarojini a letter, it is not a sentence, so you will cross here. Fourth is the poem was very long, it is the sentence, so you will rewrite it in the blanks and use T as a capital letter and keep the full stop in the end of the sentence. Clear? Fifth is this very confusing. It is not a sentence, it is a phrase, so you will cross it. This very confusing, okay? And did you eat the sandwich? It is the sentence. D will be capital in the beginning of the sentence and keep the question mark in the end of the sentence. And last is not a sentence, so you will cross it, okay? Next, match the following. Work in a pair. Match the subject with the predicate. The sentence from a paragraph about Sarojini. Compare your sentence with your partners, okay? So you will match the proper words, proper subject with their proper predicate. And you can see here is the make two column. First column 1 2 3 4 5 and second is indicated by A B C D E F, okay? So first is Sarojini, it match with F. Sarojini was a girl in a class 6, okay? So match it. Second is her mother worked in Vimla madam's house, okay? You will match second with D. Third is Vimla madam, it is match with E. Vimla madam gave her mother a book on Sarojini Naidu, okay? Fourth is Sarojini, it is match with A, really like what she read about her, okay? And fifth is Sarojini's teacher, it is match with C. Sarojini's teacher asked her to write a letter as a assignment. Clear? So you will match option number 5 with a option number C, okay? 6 is so Sarojini, you will match with option number B. So Sarojini decided to write to Mrs. Naidu. Clear? Next is exercise number I. Work in pair. Read these sentences. Number them in the correct order to write a thank you note. Okay. So you can see here carefully. Here is the sentence first, sentence second, sentence third, sentence 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you will arrange this sentence in their proper place. Which sentence used in the beginning of the paragraph and which sentence used in the end of the paragraph. Okay. So second option, it means I hope it was not too much trouble. You will fill in the first blanks. In the second blanks, thank you for returning my library books. You will fill it in a second blanks. Okay. First is it was very nice of you to do this for me. It will fill in blanks number 3. Okay. In blanks number 4, you will select the 5 option. I was very worried because they were due understanding due yesterday and the doctor said I could not go out yet. So you will fill it in a 5. And next is option number 4. I am better now. After the 5, you will write down fourth sentences in their proper place, and last is 6, that is continue in their proper or same place. Okay. I hope you have complete it, and now you have to complete the exercise of chapter 1, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, and you will write down it in your PC copy and also write it on your HW copy, it means your fair copy, and complete the chapter number 1. Clear? So thank you for watching this video.